Somebody has the hiccups.
Mama's laughing so hard she can't even focus.
Oh my goodness. It's horrible to Nina of us. She can't stop and we don't know. I'm trying to burp her and see if that helps.
Keep her
She's
sitting up for a while.
looking cute though.
Quit popping your head around. Uh-oh, fussy time.
Oh no.